Hello everyone! Welcome to ClearSpeak English channel. This is your daily English speaking practice. Today's topic is Practice Speaking English. Learn natural phrases for beginners. I'm Emma and I'm here with my friend.
Hi friends, I'm Leo. We are so happy you are here today. This lesson is all about speaking. You learn natural phrases, you say them out loud. Simple, easy, fun. Speak with us. Don't be shy. We help you every step.
Yes, Leo is right. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearSpeak English channel. Turn on the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Comment your practice too. Now, let's start speaking.
Great! We teach natural phrases for everyday life. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat. Say it loud. Feel the words. Ready? Let's go!
Greeting phrases. Hello, how are you? Listen. Hello, how are you? Repeat. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Listen. I'm fine. Repeat. I'm fine.
I'm good, thanks. Listen. I'm good. Repeat. I'm good.
I'm okay. Listen. I'm okay. Repeat. I'm okay.
And you? Listen. And you? Repeat. And you?
Full phrase. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Listen and repeat the whole thing slowly.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Your turn. Speak loud.
Good job. Say it again faster.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Perfect.
Another greeting. Hi there. Listen. Hi there.
Repeat. Hi there. Hey. Listen. Hey. Repeat. Hey.
What's up? Listen. What's up? Repeat. What's up?
Not much. Listen. Not much. Repeat. Not much.
Just chillin'. Listen. Just chillin'. Repeat. Just chillin'.
Full casual. Hi there. What's up? Not much. Just chillin'. Repeat all.
Hi there. What's up? Not much. Just chillin'. Great. Use with friends.
Morning greeting. Good morning. Listen. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning.
How did you sleep? Listen. How did you sleep? Repeat. How did you sleep?
Great. Thanks. Listen. Great. Repeat. Great.
Full morning. Good morning. How did you sleep? Great. Thanks. Repeat.
Change. I slept well.
Evening reading. Good evening. Listen. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening.
How was your day? Listen. How was your day? Repeat. How was your day?
It was good. Listen. It was good. Repeat. It was good.
Full. Good evening. How was your day? It was good. Repeat.
Say it with energy.
Introducing yourself. My name is Emma. Listen. My name is Emma. Repeat. My name is Emma.
You can call me Leo. Listen. You can call me Leo. Repeat. You can call me Leo.
I'm from England. Listen. I'm from England. Repeat. I'm from England.
I live in London. Listen. I live in London. Repeat. I live in London.
Nice to meet you. Listen. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Listen. Nice to meet you too. Repeat. Nice to meet you too.
The pleasure is mine. Listen. The pleasure is mine. Repeat. The pleasure is mine.
Full introduction. Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from England. Nice to meet you.
You can call me Leo. I live in London. Nice to meet you too. Listen again.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from England. Nice to meet you.
You can call me Leo. I live in London. Nice to meet you too. Now say Emma's part with your name and country.
Say, hi, my name is your name. I'm from your country. Nice to meet you.
Then Leo's. You can call me nickname. I live in city. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Practice with a mirror.
Asking questions. What do you do? Listen. What do you do? Repeat. What do you do?
I'm a student. Listen. I'm a student. Repeat. I'm a student.
I study English. Listen, I study English.
I work in an office. Listen, I work in an office. Repeat, I work in an office.
I'm a teacher. Listen, I'm a teacher.
Full, what do you do? I'm a student. I study English. Repeat.
What do you do? I'm a student. I study English. Your turn. Use your job or study.
Say, I'm a doctor, or I work at a store.
Where are you from? Listen, where are you from? Repeat, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Listen, I'm from Brazil. Repeat, I'm from Brazil.
Originally from Spain. Listen, originally from Spain. Repeat, originally from Spain.
Full, where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Repeat.
Change to your country. Say, I'm from Japan. Originally from China.
How old are you? Listen, how old are you? Repeat, how old are you?
I'm 25. Listen, I'm 25. Repeat, I'm 25.
Full, how old are you? I'm 25. Repeat.
Say your age.
Daily routine phrases. I wake up at 7. Listen, I wake up at 7. Repeat, I wake up at 7.
I get up slowly. Listen, I get up slowly.
I brush my teeth. Listen, I brush my teeth. Repeat, I brush my teeth.
I take a shower. Listen, I take a shower. Repeat, I take a shower.
I get dressed. Listen, I get dressed. Repeat, I get dressed.
I eat breakfast. Listen, I eat breakfast. Repeat, I eat breakfast.
Full morning. I wake up at 7. I get up slowly. I brush my teeth.
I wake up at 7. I get up slowly. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. Change the time. Say 8 or 6.
What do you eat? Listen, what do you eat? Repeat, what do you eat?
Toast and coffee. Listen, toast and coffee. Repeat, toast and coffee.
Full, I eat toast and coffee for breakfast. Repeat.
Say your breakfast. Eggs and juice.
I go to work. Listen, I go to work. Repeat, I go to work.
By bus. Listen, by bus. Repeat, by bus.
By train. Listen, by train. Repeat, by train.
On foot. Listen, on foot. Repeat, on foot.
Full, I go to work by bus. Repeat.
Say your way. By car. By bike.
I start work at 9. Listen, I start work at 9. Repeat, I start work at 9.
I finish at 5. Listen, I finish at 5. Repeat, I finish at 5.
Full day. I start at 9. I finish at 5. Repeat.
Food phrases. I like coffee. Listen, I like coffee. Repeat, I like coffee.
With milk. Listen, with milk. Repeat, with milk.
No sugar. Listen, no sugar. Repeat, no sugar.
Full, I like coffee with milk and no sugar. Repeat.
I like tea. Black tea. Change it.
What's your favorite food? Listen, what's your favorite food? Repeat, what's your favorite food?
Pizza. Listen, pizza. Repeat, pizza.
With cheese. Listen, with cheese. Repeat, with cheese.
Full, my favorite food is pizza with cheese. Repeat.
Say your food. Rice with chicken.
I don't like fish. Listen, I don't like fish. Repeat, I don't like fish.
Too salty. Listen, too salty. Repeat, too salty.
Full, I don't like fish. It's too salty. Repeat.
Do you like sweets? Listen, do you like sweets? Repeat, do you like sweets?
Yes, chocolate. Listen, yes, chocolate. Repeat, yes, chocolate.
No, too sweet. Listen, no, too sweet. Repeat, no, too sweet.
Shopping phrases. How much is this? Listen, how much is this? Repeat, how much is this?
$10. Listen, $10. Repeat, $10.
15 euros. Listen, 15 euros. Repeat, 15 euros.
Full, how much is this? $10. Repeat.
Too expensive. Listen, too expensive. Repeat, Too expensive.
A bit pricey. Listen, a bit pricey. Repeat.
A bit pricey. Can you make it cheaper? Listen, can you make it cheaper? Repeat, can you make it cheaper?
Discount, please. Listen, discount, please. Repeat, discount, please.
Full shopping talk. How much is this shirt? $15. Too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? Discount, please.
Repeat the whole shopping phrase, slowly then fast.
Thank you. Here you go. Here's your change. Practice buying and selling.
I'll take it. Listen, I'll take it. Repeat, I'll take it.
No thanks. Listen, no thanks. Repeat, no thanks.
Restaurant phrases. A table for two, please. Listen, a table for two, please. Repeat, a table for two, please.
For one. Listen, for one. Repeat, for one.
Menu, please. Listen, menu, please. Repeat, menu, please.
Recommendation. Listen, recommendation. Repeat, recommendation.
I'll have the chicken. Listen, I'll have the chicken. Repeat, I'll have the chicken.
Pasta, please. Listen, pasta, please. Repeat, pasta, please.
Water, please. Listen, water, please. Repeat, water, please.
Sparkling water. Listen, sparkling water. Repeat, sparkling water.
No ice. Listen, no ice. Repeat, no ice.
The bill, please. Listen, the bill, please. Repeat, the bill, please.
Keep the change. Listen, keep the change. Repeat, keep the change.
Full restaurant. A table for two, please. Menu, please. Recommendation. I'll have the chicken. Water, no ice. The bill, please. Keep the change.
Repeat all, change to fish or juice.
Delicious. Listen, delicious. Repeat, delicious.
Not bad. Listen, not bad. Repeat, not bad.
Opinions. I think it's good. Listen, I think it's good. Repeat, I think it's good.
I agree. Listen, I agree. Repeat, I agree.
Totally. Listen, totally. Repeat, totally.
I don't think so. Listen, I don't think so. Repeat, I don't think so.
Maybe. Listen, maybe. Repeat, maybe.
Full opinion. I think it's good. I agree. Totally. Or, I don't think so. Maybe.
Practice agree and disagree.
That sounds fun. Listen, that sounds fun. Repeat, that sounds fun.
I'm not sure. Listen, I'm not sure. Repeat, I'm not sure.
Inviting. Do you want to come? Listen, do you want to come? Repeat, do you want to come?
To the park? Listen, to the park? Repeat, to the park?
Sure. Listen, sure. Repeat, sure.
I'd love to. Listen, I'd love to. Repeat, maybe next time. Listen, maybe next time.
I'm busy. Listen, I'm busy. Repeat, I'm busy. Full invite. Do you want to come to the park? Sure, I'd love to. Or, maybe next time. I'm busy.
Practice inviting a friend.
Let's go. Listen, let's go. Repeat, let's go.
Saying goodbye. See you later. Listen, see you later. Repeat, see you later.
See you tomorrow. Listen, see you tomorrow. Repeat, see you tomorrow.
Take care. Listen, take care. Repeat, take care.
Have a good day. Listen, have a good day. Repeat, have a good day.
Have a nice evening. Listen, have a nice evening. Repeat, have a nice evening.
Talk to you soon. Listen, talk to you soon. Repeat, talk to you soon.
Full goodbye. See you later.
Take care. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.
Repeat all. Use with family or friends.
Phone phrases. Hello, this is Emma. Listen, hello, this is Emma. Repeat, hello, this is Emma.
Can I speak to Leo? Listen, can I speak to Leo? Repeat, can I speak to Leo?
He's not here. Listen, he's not here. Repeat, he's not here.
Weather talk. Nice weather today. Listen, nice weather today. Repeat, nice weather today.
It's sunny. Listen, it's sunny. Repeat, it's sunny. A bit cold. Listen, a bit cold. Repeat, a bit cold.
Full. Nice weather today. It's sunny, but a bit cold. Repeat.
Now, short conversations. Listen and speak your part.
Conversation 1. Greetings and intro.
Hello, how are you?
Say, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good. My name is Emma. Where are you from?
Say, hi, I'm your name. I'm from country.
Nice to meet you. What do you do?
Say, I'm a job, student.
Cool. See you later.
Say, bye, take care.
Great conversation. Do it again with new words.
Conversation 2. Food talk at cafe.
Hi, what's your favorite food?
Say, I like food with something.
Me too. Do you like coffee?
Say, yes, with milk, no sugar.
I like tea. How about sweets?
Say, yes, chocolate. Or, no, too sweet.
Nice talking. See you.
Say goodbye phrase.
Conversation 3. Shopping for clothes.
How much is this shirt?
Say, price, dollars.
Too expensive. A bit pricey.
Say, can you make it cheaper? Discount, please.
Okay, lower price.
Say, I'll take it. Thank you.
Conversation 4. Restaurant full.
A table for 2, please.
Say, menu please. Recommendation?
Try the chicken.
Say, I'll have the chicken. Water, no ice.
Anything else?
Say, no thanks. The bill please.
Delicious.
Conversation 5. Inviting to movie.
Do you want to come to the movie?
Say, sure, I'd love to. What time?
At 7.
Great, see you there.
Or say no. Maybe next time. I'm busy.
Conversation 6. Phone call.
Hello, this is Emma.
Say, hi, can I speak to name?
He's not here right now.
Okay, I'll call back. Thanks.
Practice all 6 conversations. Change everything.
Make them longer. Add more phrases.
Role play with a friend or yourself.
Review all phrases. Say with us slow.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Good morning. How did you sleep? Great, thanks.
My name is. I'm from. Nice to meet you.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
I like coffee with milk, no sugar.
How much is this? $10. Too expensive.
A table for 2, please. I'll have the chicken. The bill, please.
I think it's good. I agree. Totally.
Do you want to come? Sure, let's go.
See you later. Take care. Have a nice evening.
Now say all fast, like native.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Do the whole list fast.
You know so many natural phrases.
Fun task. Make your own long conversation. Use at least 10 phrases.
Example. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thanks. My name is Emma. I'm from England. What do you do? I'm a teacher. I wake up at 7. I like coffee with milk. Do you want to come to lunch? Sure. A table for 2, please. I'll have pizza. How much? $10. See you later.
Your turn. Speak out loud your long talk.
Record yourself. Listen back.
Comment your full conversation below. We read and reply.
Practice writing the phrases too.
One more full practice. All phrases slow, then normal, then fast.
Slow. Hello.
Normal. Hello.
Fast. Hello, how are you?
Do greetings, intro, questions, routine, food, shopping, restaurant, opinions, inviting, goodbye.
You speak natural English now.
Use these phrases every day with friends, family, strangers.
Start small. 1 phrase a day.
Thank you for speaking with ClearSpeak English channel.
You are amazing. Keep going.
Tomorrow, more phrases, different situations.
Like, subscribe, turn on bell.
Comment your favorite phrase or your conversation.
What phrase will you use today?
Hello, how are you?
Bye, friends. Speak soon.
Practice now. Bye.